Senator Pia Cayetano displayed annoyance at her colleagues. It happened during the budget hearing of the Department of Health.
I wouldn't want this hearing that I am conducting on behalf of the chairman of the Committee on Health to be used to discuss this political charade.
Senator Bong and Health Secretary Francisco Duque III's discussion kept mentioning the possible reenactment of the national budget.
Mahirapan po, Ginoong Senador, Madam Chair, mahirapan po talaga.
The lady senator butted in the discussion.
You know, this talk on reenacted budget does not help any of us. It just fuels the fire in this political charade.
The timely passage of the 2021 national budget has been affected by the leadership row in the House over Speaker Peter Cayetano's refusal to honor the term-sharing agreement with Marinduque Representative Lord Alan Velasco.
Although this is a Senate hearing, not a House hearing, we cannot deny the fact that my brother is the Speaker of the House, and so for those of you who have not heard me say it and who have not heard him say it, there is no reenacted budget that will happen.
During the hearing, Duque said the DOH will not have funds to respond to the COVID-19 crisis if Congress fails to pass the 2021 national budget on time.
Huwag na sanang i-discuss yung reenacted budget na yan kasi hindi mangyayari.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.